Alright guys, here's now our oatmeal cookies, vegan chewy oatmeal cookies. Look, it's really good. See that? There you go. Put it there. Just a second guys. I think we need, I turned off the light, so I think we need the light. So let's see, where is the, so you can see it clearly. There you go. Look at that. It's so pretty. And look at the bottom. Perfect. See? I cook it a little bit more. It should be 15 minutes, but I cook it for 18 minutes. So it depends with the oven that you have. So it's between 15 to 18 minutes, guys. It's perfectly baked. And it's golden brown at the bottom, but it's not burned. And it's I already let my husband taste it, and he said it's very tasty. A lot better than what you buy in the store. You must try to make this sometimes, guys. It's very healthy cookie. This is a healthy cookies. Let me try it myself. Oh yeah. No wonder my husband loves oatmeal cookies. I got a lot for one batch. Got a lot. Dear, can you try this one if it's really done? Because some of them are done. I don't know if that's really. If I need to put back some of these in the oven, because this is a really big baking pan. The one on the edges, they are the one that's really perfectly cooked. So that's it guys, 15 to 20 minutes. Let's just put it 15 to 20 minutes, okay? But you have to check, make sure that the bottom is not burned and it's not undercooked either. Okay, how is it?
It's really hot.
But do I need to put back the others?
I don't think so.
Okay. Alright, so 15 to 18 minutes only. But let's just put that window from 15 to 20 minutes. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. It depends with the oven that you use, guys. So, there you go. I have a very excited and happy husband again. Look at that, guys. That's my chewy oatmeal cookies. So there's our finished products, guys. So thank you for joining me, cooking and baking. And thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for all my subscribers. And you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Click the subscribe button below. And if you have comments or questions, just put the comment in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to answer your questions if you have questions, guys, after I read it. And you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, wonderful afternoon, and you guys have a wonderful week ahead. And see you guys later. Stay safe, stay healthy, and pray all the time. And God bless you all. Till next time, guys. Hope you like my videos and hope you enjoy our baking. See you later, guys. Have a good night. It's nighttime here in California, so have a good night, guys. Love you all. Love, 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 and big hug to everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Have a wonderful, wonderful week and wonderful month of November. See you guys later.